This module will discuss the following aspects of open access and digital library. Introduce and define the concept of digital library and open access publishing. Introduce the philosophy of open access and its association with the digital library. Define the characteristics of open access. Methods of publishing open access research. Catalyst to the open access movement and major open access declarations. Describe the worldwide open access digital library initiatives. Open access and copyright. Discuss recent developments in digital library technologies. Open access has emerged as an alternative model of scholarly publishing, essentially in response to the phenomenon called serials crisis, as well as to the advent of internet and proliferation of the resources, new e-publishing models, and development of open standards and protocols. Continuing growth and development in open access publishing is a big contributor to digital library collections as well as digital library technology. Institutional repositories and open access journals are two primary routes to provide open access to scholarly literature. Institutional repositories are generally set up by research institutions, universities, and other organizations wherein institutions' publications include preprints and postprints of journal articles, research reports, conference papers, theses, dissertations, seminar presentations, annual reports, and other publications that are deposited by researchers and staff members of the institute. The open access journals make their articles freely accessible to the user without any subscription fee. However, the charges for publishing an article are generally charged from the authors, their institutions, or the sponsoring organizations. Content available in open access journals and institutional repositories can generally be used freely for a production and distribution. There are no legal or technical barriers for further distribution of the content. Digital library is one of the most complex and advanced form of information systems that can serve as a rich resource to its user community. It collects, manages, and preserves rich digital content and provides its access to user communities. Clifford Lynch, a well-known expert on digital libraries and new technologies, defined digital library as digital library is a system providing a community of users with coherent access to a large, organized repository of digital information and knowledge. The digital library is not just one entity but multiple sources seamlessly integrated. The learners are advised to see the Module 1 on Introduction to Digital Library for further information. Open access is a new and evolving scholarly publication model that provides unrestricted, free, immediate, and online access to peer-reviewed scholarly research, along with the rights to use it. Users are free to read, download, copy, distribute, print, search, or link to the full texts of scholarly literature available through open access platform. The only role of copyright is to control over the integrity of author's work. The ARL Task Force, which is the American Research Libraries Association Task Force, defines open access as a cost-effective way to disseminate and use information. It is an alternative to the traditional subscription-based publishing model made possible by new digital technologies and networked communication. Open access publishing is considered as a part of universal digital library system consisting of open access journals and institutional repositories distributed across research institutions and universities all over the world. Metadata of each of these distributed institutional repositories, as well as open access journals, is harvested by the indexing services such as OAISTER, Google Scholar, etc., to provide unified and organized access to digital content distributed across open access journals and institutional repositories the world over. With interoperability built into the OAI compliant IR software and open access journal publishing system, individual institutions can participate in the process of building a distributed global digital library through the repositories and OA journals. Institutional repositories are also linked to the notion of a digital library since it has the same functions and services that a digital library offers, such as collecting, storing, classifying, cataloging, preserving, and providing access to digital content. The characteristics associated with open access are as follows: pay to publish, not to access. Cost of publication and distribution of articles is borne by producers of scholarship or funding organizations rather than the users or the readers. Access to publication in open access is more democratic. Web-based open access repositories are accessible to all users without any restrictions. The author, rather than the publisher, owns copyright in the open access model. Users are granted permission for unrestricted reading, downloading, copying, sharing, etc. Authors may choose to block commercial reuse of contents. Open access journals, like traditional journals, conduct peer review of submitted articles. Most of the publishers of open access journals are non-profit, such as Public Library of Science or PLOS, while a few are for-profit, such as Biomed Central or BMC. There are three major international statements made on open access. Number one, the Budapest Open Access Initiative statement in the meeting of the Open Society in 2002. Number two, the Bethesda Statement on Open Access Publishing in 2003. And number three, the Berlin Declaration on Open Access to Knowledge in the Sciences and Humanities in October 2003. Other major statements, declaration, or commitment of open access made by several societies, national and international institutions, universities, library associations, and other organizations are ACRL Principles and Strategies for the Reform of Scholarly Communication, August 2003, Australian Group of 8 Statement on Open Access to Scholarly Information, May 2004, OECD Declaration on Access to Research Data from Public Funding, January 2004, which was signed by more than 30 nations, UN World Summit on the Information Society Declaration of Principles and Plan of Action, December 2003, the Washington, D.C. Principles for Free Access to Science, March 2004, Wellcome Trust Position Statement on Open Access, October 2003, Alhambra Declaration on OA, Policies for the Development of OA, which is Open Access, in South European countries, May 2010, IFLA Statement on Open Access, clarifying IFLA's position and strategy April 2011. IFLA Statement on Open Access, December 2003. Ghent Declaration, February 2011. LERU Roadmap Towards OA, Advice Paper, June 2011. SPARC Europe Statement on Open Access for EC Public Hearing on Access to and Preservation of Scientific Information, Luxembourg, May 2011. The Joint Declaration on Open Science for the 21st Century from ALLEA, April 2012. The Paris OER, that is the Open Educational Resources Declaration from UNESCO World OER Congress, June 2012. The ERCIM Statement on Open Access, European Research Consortium for Informatics and Mathematics. NKC, which is National Knowledge Commission India, the NKC Statements on Open Access. Open access journals are considered as a golden route for providing access to peer-reviewed literature in electronic format free of charge without any restrictions of access over the web. Let's take a view of major open journals initiatives worldwide. Biomed Central. It is a science, technology, and medicine publisher. It publishes 258 peer-reviewed open access journals. PubMed Central. It is a free archive of biomedical and life sciences journal literature at the US National Institute of Health's National Library of Medicine. Public Library of Science. The Public Library of Science is a non-profit publisher and advocacy organization founded to accelerate progress in science and medicine by leading a transformation in research communication. It publishes 7 peer-reviewed open access journals with more than 1 lakh articles. BioLine International is a not-for-profit scholarly publishing cooperative committed to providing open access to quality research journals published in developing countries. 36 journals are available on this platform on public health, international development, tropical medicine, food and nutritional security, and biodiversity. Indian Academy of Science. The Indian Academy of Sciences, also called IAS, is a scientific academy funded by the Government of India. It publishes 11 open access journals. Indian National Science Academy. The Indian National Science Academy, also called INSA, is another scientific academy funded by the Government of India. INSA publishes 4 peer-reviewed open access journals. The National Academy of Science, India. The National Academy of Sciences, India was founded in 1930. It is the oldest science academy of the country. It publishes 3 open access peer-reviewed journals. Indian Medlars Center at the National Informatics Center has initiated MedInd project with the support from the Indian Council of Medical Research. It provides online access to full text of 108 Indian biomedical journals. NISCAIR has developed Online Periodicals Repository NOPR to preserve its 17 research journals, working papers, preprints, technical reports, conference papers, and data sets in various digital formats. IndianJournals.com. IndianJournals.com provides a single window access to multidisciplinary Indian journals published by different scholarly societies and institutions. It provides access to 11 open access journals. Medno Publications. It is a publisher of high-quality, peer-reviewed, scholarly open access journals in India. It publishes, maintains, and hosts more than 48 open access, peer-reviewed scholarly journals, mainly in the biomedical subject areas, on behalf of learned societies and associations. The Kamala Raj Enterprises is a Delhi-based publisher established in 1933. Kamala Raj publishes 21 open access journals in the areas of social sciences. Open Journal Access System at InflibNet. It provides full text access to 14 journals published by universities and higher education institutions. Directory of Open Access Journals. It provides open access to 9,744 journals. Institutional repositories are a web-based archive of scholarly material designed to organize and provide seamless access to scholarly publications produced by faculty or researchers of an institution in all subject disciplines. There are a total of 3,594 worldwide repositories indexed by Registry of Open Access Repositories (ROAR), which includes 99 repositories in India. The Directory of Open Access Repositories has indexed a total of 2,500 worldwide repositories, including 62 Indian repositories. Let's have a view of the top 10 worldwide repositories in India indexed in Webometrics. Arxiv.org, the ePrint archive, which provides access to scholarly literature in areas of physics, mathematics, computer science, quantitative biology, quantitative finance, and statistics. Social Science Research Network. It is devoted to the rapid worldwide dissemination of social science research. The SSRN e-library consists of two parts: an abstract database containing abstracts on over 5,31,900 scholarly working papers and forthcoming papers, and an electronic paper collection currently containing over 4,36,700 full text documents. The Smithsonian or NASA Astrophysics Data System. It is a digital library portal for researchers in astronomy and physics, operated by the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory, called the SAO, under a NASA grant. Europe PubMed Central is based on PubMed Central (PMC), developed at the NCBI in the USA, and is a part of a network of PMC International. Research Paper in Economics is a collaborative effort of hundreds of volunteers in 81 countries to enhance the dissemination of research in economics and related sciences. It provides access to 1,600 archives from 81 countries. CiteSeer X is an evolving scientific literature digital library and a search engine that has focused primarily on the literature in computer and information science. The HALINIRA Open Archives, University of California eScholarship Repository, the CERN Document Server, the Digital Library and Archives, Virginia Tech University. Open access repository publications of Fellows of the Indian Academy of Sciences. Institutional repository, the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Institutional repository, the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute. Digital repository by the National Institute of Oceanography, India. Institutional repository, the Information and Library Network Center. E-Thesis repositories by the National Institute of Technology, Rourkela; OpenMed, a National Informatics Center, India; Open Access Repository, the International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics; Institutional Repository by the Indian Institute of Astrophysics; Institutional Repository by the National Aerospace Laboratories. An e-book is an electronic version of a printed book which can be read on a computer or a specifically designed handheld device. Major open access electronic books include Project Gutenberg is the first and largest single collection of free electronic books or e-books. It offers over 42,000 free e-books. Hathi Trust Digital Library is a partnership of academic and research institutions offering a collection of millions of titles digitized from libraries around the world. The OAPEN library contains freely accessible academic books mainly in the area of humanities and social sciences. Directory of Open Access Books. It provides access to 1879 academic peer-reviewed books from 57 publishers. Digital Library of India. It preserves knowledge and the cultural heritage of India. It hosts 4,80,335 books containing about 168 million pages. The books came from about 48 different languages on various subjects. Open courseware are open educational resources that are presented in a course format, often including course planning materials such as syllabi and course calendars, along with content such as textbooks, lectures, presentations, notes, and simulation. These are materials developed by experienced educators that are available for use, repurposing, and modification in whole or in part by everyone everywhere in the world. Major open courseware initiatives include Open Yale Courses (OYC). It provides lectures and other materials from selected Yale College courses to the public free of charge via the internet. The courses span the full range of liberal arts disciplines, including humanities, social sciences, and physical and biological sciences. MIT OpenCourseware. MIT OpenCourseware is a web-based online MIT course content. It is available open to the world. UNow is the University of Nottingham's formal OpenCourseware initiative. It provides free education materials. OpenCourseware Consortium. It is a worldwide community of hundreds of higher education institutes and associated organizations committed to advancing open education and its impact on global education. Coursera is an education platform that partners with top universities and organizations worldwide to offer courses online for anyone to take for free. Udacity provides free courseware. EPG Pathshala provides access to high-quality, curriculum-based, interactive content in 77 subjects at postgraduate level. The National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning (NPTEL) is an open courseware initiative. It provides more than 200 curricula-based videos and web courses. eGyan Kosh provides seamless access to learning resources in different formats such as self-instructional study materials, audio-video programs, and archives of radio and television-based live interactive sessions. Learning Object Repository (CEC). This provides worldwide access to qualitative learning resources. The Learning Object Repository is a bank of short-duration reusable learning objects for special benefits to students and teachers for face-to-face learning as well as to other users globally. Harvesting refers to the activity of searching and collecting metadata from Open Archives Initiative (OAI), institutional repositories, and OAI journals whose content is indexed and posted for open use from a World Wide Web server. A metadata harvesting service harvests or indexes metadata from OAI, that is Open Access Initiative compliant archives or repositories or journals through harvesting software that supports a protocol known as the Open Access Initiative Protocol for Metadata Harvesting (OAI PMH). Learners are advised to see the Module 23 on Digital Library Protocol and Standards for further information on Metadata Harvesting Standard (OAI PMH). Major metadata harvesting service providers are Google Scholar, OAISTER, OARINZ, NCSTRL, etc. Metadata harvesting service providers in India are Search Digital Libraries, MetaMed, and Open Index Initiative. Copyright is the principal issue faced by authors, publishers, and readers of open access publications. The work published in open access journals can be made available to the public under Creative Commons Attribution License (CCAL). CCAL gives the right to authors to retain their ownership of the copyright for their article. It also allows users to download, reuse, reprint, modify, distribute, and copy the article as long as the original authors and the source are credited. Cloud computing refers to both the applications delivered as services over the internet and the hardware and system software in the data centers that provide those services. Digital libraries based on cloud computing architecture can facilitate shared use of computing and networking resources. It is cost effective. The cost of open access digital library services can be reduced by amortizing the overall cost of building the data centers for institutional repositories. Cloud computing technologies can significantly improve the economic and environmental sustainability of open access resources and institutional repositories.